Hello, our dear students. Welcome back to school with Biology and Dr. Mahmoud elsuitty for secondary one. Our lesson today talking about the chemical structure of living organisms. At the first, we must know that the bodies of all living organisms consists of group of systems. Inside the system, we have organs. The organ consists of group of tissues. The tissue consists of group of cells. Let's go to the chemical structure of our bodies. We know that our body consists of group of systems. Inside the system, we have a group of organs. The organ consists of group of tissues. The tissue consists of cells. Each cell consists of group of cellular organelles, and cellular organelles consists of molecules. So our body consists of group of molecules and atoms. These molecules may be divided into two types. Number one, organic molecules. What is the meaning of organic molecules? They are biological macromolecules. They also called polymers. They are biological large molecules composed of small molecules called monomers. We have many examples of organic molecules, such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. They contain basically carbon and hydrogen. All organic molecules consist of polymers. They are contain carbon and hydrogen. At the opposite side, we have another type of molecules called inorganic molecules. They don't contain carbon and hydrogen basically, but they are water and salts. Let's start with the first polymer and the first organic molecule, or the first polymer, carbohydrates. What is the meaning of carbohydrates? In fact, carbohydrates, they are biological macromolecules which consists of hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. They include sugars, fibers, and starches, and their general formula is CH2O, which means they consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen at ratio 1 to 2 to 1. In fact, carbohydrates are divided according to their structure into number 1, simple sugar. Simple sugar, they are the simplest type of sugar. Simple sugar divided into two types. Number 1, monosaccharides. What is the meaning of monosaccharide? One molecule of sugar only. Disaccharide, which means that it consists of two molecules from monosaccharides. What is the properties of monosaccharides or simple sugar? Number 1, they are soluble in water. They have small molecular weights. They have sweet taste. Complex sugars or polysaccharides, they are carbohydrates which consists of group of monosaccharides. Examples: number 1, cellulose, starch, glycogen. What is the properties of complex sugar? Number 1, insoluble in water. They have heavy molecular weights they don't have any tests. Let's talk about the importance of carbohydrates. What is the importance of carbohydrates for our bodies? Number one, the main and the quickest source for energy in living organisms, even plant, animal, or human. Number two, they are stored in plants as starch, while in animal and humans as glycogen. Glycogen can found in large amount inside liver and muscles to provide them with the needed energy. Number three, they form cell wall of plant as cellulose. Simple sugar is divided into monosaccharides and disaccharides. What is the meaning of monosaccharides? Mono equals one sugar or one saccharide, the simplest kind of sugar whose polymer consists of only one molecule. But monosaccharides contain a certain number of carbons, ranges between 3 to 6 carbon atoms. Examples of monosaccharides. Number one, glucose or grapes sugar, fructose, fruits sugar, ribose, and finally galactose or milk sugar. Disaccharide. What is the meaning of disaccharide? Sugar whose polymer consists of two molecules of monosaccharides. The structure of disaccharides, they consist of two molecules of monosaccharides bound together. Examples of disaccharides: sucrose or sugar cane. It consists of glucose molecule bound with fructose 1. Number 2, lactose or milk sugar. It consists of glucose molecule bound with galactose 1. Maltose or malt sugar. It consists of two molecules of glucose bound together. The molecular formula or the structure of sugars. Figure number 1. The figure represents the structure of glucose. The general formula of glucose C6H12O6. Fructose C6H12O6. They can bind together or can be separated by adding H2O or removal of H2O. But if we remove H2O from glucose and fructose, we can obtain sucrose. The chemical formula of galactose. The chemical formula of glucose. Another shape or another chemical formula of glucose. Finally, we hope you a very nice year with biology and Dr. Mahmoud elsuitty. We will meet again. Thanks for you.